Sometimes the best garden borders don't rely on flowers at all. They rely on lush green shrubs that create structure and privacy. When planted closely together, the right shrubs can form a natural green wall that makes the garden feel fuller, calmer, and more elegant. In this video, we're looking at 7 lush shrubs that can transform ordinary borders into beautiful living walls. Number 1. Skip Laurel. Skip Laurel is one of the most popular shrubs for creating a dense green wall in the garden. Its large, glossy evergreen leaves form thick layers of foliage that quickly fill space and create a strong natural screen. The rich green color gives the garden a lush appearance throughout the entire year. One of the reasons gardeners and landscapers love skip laurel is its vigorous growth and adaptability. It tolerates both sun and partial shade and grows relatively quickly compared to many evergreen shrubs. Once established, it becomes a dependable hedge that requires only occasional pruning to maintain its shape. In the landscape, skip laurel works beautifully along property lines or garden borders where privacy is needed. Planted in a row, the shrubs gradually grow together to form a continuous green wall that feels both natural and elegant. Number 2. Podocarpus. Podocarpus is a refined evergreen shrub known for its slender, deep green leaves and elegant upright growth. Unlike broader-leaved hedging plants, its narrow foliage creates a smooth and sophisticated green surface that looks especially striking in modern garden designs. This shrub is also appreciated for its durability and flexibility in the landscape. It tolerates pruning extremely well, allowing gardeners to shape it into formal hedges or let it grow naturally into a tall screen. With consistent care during its early growth, it quickly develops into a dense and reliable border plant. In the garden, Podocarpus is often used to create sleek green walls along pathways, patios, or property edges. Its clean vertical form adds structure while maintaining a calm, lush background for other plants. Number 3. Japanese Holly. Japanese holly is a compact evergreen shrub that forms one of the neatest green walls in garden design. Its small, glossy leaves create a dense texture that resembles boxwood, but with a slightly softer appearance. The tight foliage allows the plant to form a smooth and uniform hedge. Gardeners appreciate Japanese holly for its adaptability and tidy growth habit. It performs well in full sun or partial shade and responds well to pruning, making it easy to maintain as a formal hedge. Over time, the shrubs grow together to create a thick and consistent green barrier. In landscape borders, Japanese holly works especially well in structured gardens where clean lines are important. Planted in rows, it creates a polished green wall that provides both beauty and subtle privacy. Number 4. Viburnum Chindo. Viburnum Chindo is a fast-growing evergreen shrub known for its bold foliage and strong presence in the landscape. Its large, glossy green leaves give the plant a lush, tropical look, making it perfect for creating thick garden borders. As the shrub matures, it quickly fills space and forms a dense wall of greenery. Beyond its attractive foliage, Chindo Viburnum is valued for its toughness and reliability. It tolerates heat, adapts to different soil types, and grows vigorously once established. With occasional pruning, it maintains a tidy shape while continuing to produce fresh new growth. In the landscape, Viburnum Chindo is often used as a privacy hedge or living fence along garden borders. When planted in a row, it forms a tall and dramatic green wall that brings both structure and lushness to the garden. Number 5. Arborvitae Emerald Green. Arborvitae Emerald Green is one of the most recognizable shrubs used to create a tall and elegant green wall. Its naturally narrow, upright shape allows the plants to grow closely together, forming a dense vertical screen of soft evergreen foliage. The rich green color remains vibrant throughout the year, giving the garden a clean and structured appearance. One of the biggest advantages of this arborvitae is its reliability and low-maintenance nature. It grows steadily without becoming overly wide, which makes it ideal for tighter garden borders. Once established, it requires only occasional trimming to maintain a neat and uniform hedge. In the landscape, Emerald Green Arborvitae is often planted in rows along fences, property lines, or garden borders where privacy is desired. Over time, the plants grow together into a seamless living wall that feels both formal and naturally lush. Number 6. Camellia sasanqua congiro. Camellia sasanqua congiro is an evergreen shrub that combines dense foliage with beautiful seasonal blooms. Its glossy, dark green leaves create a lush backdrop throughout the year, while vibrant pink flowers appear in fall and early winter. This combination makes it both a structural hedge and a seasonal highlight in the garden. Gardeners appreciate this camellia for its adaptability and relatively easy care. It performs well in full sun to partial shade and benefits from well-drained soil and occasional pruning after flowering. Over time, the shrub develops a full, layered canopy that adds depth to garden borders. In the landscape, Camellia sasanqua congiro works wonderfully as a flowering green wall along garden edges or near entryways. The evergreen foliage provides year-round structure, while the seasonal blooms bring an extra burst of color when many other plants have finished flowering. Number 7. Boxwood. Boxwood is one of the most classic shrubs for creating a refined green wall in the garden. Its small, evergreen leaves form dense, rounded growth that can be shaped into neat hedges or allowed to grow naturally into soft mounds. The consistent green color gives the garden a calm and timeless look. One reason boxwood remains so popular is its versatility. It tolerates pruning extremely well, adapts to a wide range of garden conditions, and grows slowly enough to maintain its form with minimal effort. This reliability has made it a staple plant in formal gardens for centuries. In landscape borders, boxwood is often planted in repeating rows to create a low green wall that frames pathways, beds, or entry areas. When combined with taller shrubs or flowering plants behind it, the result is a layered border that feels balanced, structured, and elegant. Lush green shrubs can transform ordinary garden borders into beautiful natural walls that provide structure, privacy, and year-round color. By choosing dense evergreen plants like these, you can create a landscape that feels both elegant and low maintenance. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which shrub you'd plant to create your own green wall.